Let me show you how you can use a goal-seek tool in Excel with a very simple example. Suppose if you have a unit price of $1,000 and you're paying a commission of 5%. How many units would you need to sell to reach a revenue of $5,000? Revenue is calculated by multiplying the unit price with the number of units sold and then subtracting 5% commission from the total, using this particular formula here. Now we will use Excel's Goal-Seek tool. First, place your cursor on Revenue. Then you go to Data, Forecast, What If Analysis, Goal-Seek. When this comes up, the Set Cell will be set to cell I9. After that, the To Value would be 5,000. And the By Changing Cell would be Units Sold. And after a bit of calculation, you can see that you need to sell 5 units at $1,000 with 5% commission to get a revenue of $5,000. That's it.